Hello, YouTube, and the people that are on it. I'm pretty tired and I'm holding my phone today, but I just wanted to make this to show you something I've been working on this week. So there are currently 4 murals in the Weststadt in Göttingen that are being created, and it's part of a initiative to bring some color to the walls of the Weststadt, and the theme is Zusammenhalt, which is holding together, which especially in the COVID times has been of particular importance. And I love drawing portraits, as you may know, and it just seemed to totally make sense to me to draw the people from this place on the wall and illustrate this idea of sticking together and connectedness through this time. And it's been really great meeting people and taking their photos and sketching them onto the wall. And as this mural progresses, I'll be showing more work, so make sure you check out my Instagram account and keep in touch on here to see how it all comes together. I think in my sketch I've got 13 portraits, including one dog, which you're about to see, and I'm working with natural paints from the firm Kreidezeit, which make really cool sustainable earth pigment paints, and it's an oil paint which is typically used for painting timber facades, and there's not too much experience painting portraits on walls yet, but that's something I'm happy to be experimenting with. And yeah, here's this dog. So I put out the invitation to everyone who would like to be involved. Did a letterbox drop to see who would like to be painted, and I'm working my way through a bunch of portraits, and I look forward to sharing more with you soon. So this is a really lovely project to be involved with. If you enjoyed watching those little clips, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. I'd love to hear what you think. It's really interesting working at such a big size. And yeah, I'm really curious myself to see how it's going to turn out and how it's going to look when it's finished. Thanks for watching.